Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.5 question number 8. Simplify and solve the following linear equations. Let us solve this one. That question is question number 8. Question number 8 here you see is 15 into 1 y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equal to 0. We multiply this one, opening the brackets, we get 15y minus 15 into 4, that is 60, minus 2y, minus into minus is plus 9 to 18, plus 5y, plus 5 6 is 30, is equal to 0. Now if you see 15y plus 5y is 20y, minus 2y is 18y. Here you see 15y plus 5y, 20y, and minus 2y is 18y. Or you can write here once again, that is 15y plus 5y minus 2y plus 30 plus 18 minus 60 is equal to 0. Now here you see 15y plus 5y is 20y, which implies that 15y plus 5y is 20y minus 2y plus 30 plus 18 is 48 minus 60 is equal to 0. And here you see 20y minus 2y is 18y plus 48 minus 60. Subtract 48 from 60. 48 from 60. 2 carry 1, 5, 4 and 5 and 6, 1, 12. That is minus 12 is equal to 0. Now in transposing we get 18y is equal to 12. Or you can write here as y is equal to, dividing both sides by 18, we are getting 12 by 18. 12 by 18. If we divide 2, 6 is 12, 2, 9 is 18, again by 3, 3, 2 is 6, 3, 3 is 9, or y is equal to 2 by 3, 2 by 3, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.